Hey yo, it's Chris O. Where's my tape? Oh yeah, cool. Right, now that is going, I'm working out the height of my niche here because I need to cut through because I've got to replace this cement sheet, so I want to cut through at the right height. That's going to be the height of my tile, and I want my niche at 900 because I'm going 300 multiples. The top of my bath is 600, which is there. I'm going to cut through there and replace that sheet tomorrow after Reese the plumber has been, because he's redoing all this pipe work. Everywhere where we can get at the pipes, the owners want it all replaced so it doesn't spring a leak. So this is of course coming off because the pipes go through there, so Reese the plumber will be replacing it over there. I've got to take that sheet off because he'll be replacing that plumbing there and changing the shower head, I think, or putting it back. I'm not sure, one or the other. Oh yeah, he's putting in a mixer tomorrow afternoon. Right, so that's my finished height there. 600 is the top of my bath. 900 is going to be the bottom of my niche. So come down a little squiddle, so come down 10 mil, even 15. Give yourself a little bit of wiggle room. You gotta have that wiggle room, people, DIYs. Don't ever, geez, I've got to buy some new levels. Just keep these ones for screeding. Because the thing is though, if you start washing them and cleaning them up with acid, you stuff them because you take the shine off everything, and cement sticks to it like shit to a blanket. Right, that's the bottom of my niche. Tape. Check it again. Yep, spot on. There's 900, but I want a little bit of wiggle room. Yep, come down 15. So I want to go up 350 from that, and we'll be laughing. 350 off that line. Let's level it around. Just check that. Yep. I don't really have to draw that line, but anyway, now I go up 350, which is there. My niche is actually, the top of my niche is really there, and if I went up 300 it's really there, but you've got to have it pays to have a little bit of wiggle room at the top as well. Then I'll go up off that stud. Helps if you just lick your finger, give the glass a bit of a rub. I've got to pick up some sheets of cement sheets, so I'll pick up a couple of levels as well. In the morning on the way here. Oh. So what height is that? Oh yeah. Okay, so if I cut out like that, if I follow those lines I'm marking, and cut my cement sheet to that shape, we're laughing. That'll do. And then I go across there like that. Nice. Okay, so I'll use water and a sponge to keep the dust down. Let's do it. I'll cut through there, cut through there. I'll be back in a sec. I'll just get my gloves on. I'll sort out my sponge and water and that sort of thing. I don't need to put on gloves. I'm no poofter. See you in a minute.